Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you what to do when your Fortnite matching error show. So let's get started. So in your Fortnite, if it shows like matching error, if you are an iOS user, it must be because iOS has banned like the Fortnite app because of some transaction and the percentage of profit issue with the Apple. Okay, so to fix that, it is very easy. You can use your VPN. Like example, like you can use US VPN, UK, UAE, like type of that VPNs. Or if you're an Android user, then you can just reinstall the app, clear the cache memory, and do other things. So by this way, you can fix it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.